In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious shepherd's pie recipe. Welcome to Tasting Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound of ground lamb, 1½ cup of frozen mixed vegetables, 1 onion, 1 cup of beef broth, 3 cups of mashed potatoes, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of flour, half a cup of red wine, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 3 garlic cloves shredded, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1 tablespoon of parsley. To the mashed potatoes, we're going to add in the Parmesan cheese. Scramble the egg, and we're going to pour that into the mashed potatoes and mix completely. Set aside for later. In a pan over heat, we're going to add in the oil and the onions and saute them. We're going to add in the ground lamb and we're going to cook thoroughly. Add in the garlic. Season with the pepper, salt, thyme, paprika. Add in the flour and mix until completely combined. Add the red wine. And the beef broth. Add in the frozen vegetables and cook thoroughly. Transfer this mixture to a baking pan. On top, we're going to add on the mashed potatoes and spread out evenly. Bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Sprinkle the parsley on top. Our shepherd's pie is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.